Okay, now we're gonna decompress the spine here.
Ah!
Deep breath in and out. Stumbled down the stairs a year and a half ago. What are you feeling?
I can do nothing. I can sit, I can walk,
Okay.
I can sneeze,
Okay.
I can laugh, I can do nothing because it hurts so much.
Okay. Right there, you're good.
Ow!
Take a deep breath in and out. Good. I'm gonna drop down a little bit lower here. One more time, deep breath in and out. Good. Okay, good. Good. And relax. Good. Okay. Got one more, just a little one here. There's more of that middle of the back. Good. Okay. We're gonna uncross and we're gonna bend that knee up. Good. I want you to bring your hands over my hands. Good. Okay. I'm going to lean you back just a little bit. Squeeze your elbows together. Okay, now we're going to decompress the spine here. Deep breath in and out. Good. And deep breath in and out for me. Good. That was a powerful move, wasn't it?
Oh my god, yes it was. I still feel it on my legs. Oh, yeah.
It's all right, darling. Just breathe for me right now. Okay, hold that just for 1 second. Thank you. Good. Good. And relax there. Breathe. Deep breath in and out.
Yeah, heart's too.
Right there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Good, good. And relax.
Yes.
What?
I can't move. Yeah, because I couldn't do this. No. In a long time, I think. Yeah. So now I can dance.